With the relentless growth of mobile traffic, the projected increase in IoT devices, and the massive potential of 5G and edge applications, communications service providers will see new revenue opportunities appear in the near future. To capitalize on these trends, service providers need modernized networks, flexible enough to tap into new market opportunities faster. Traditional radio access networks, or RANs, are expensive and difficult to upgrade and scale. Locked into inflexible infrastructure, service providers have difficulty delivering new services quickly to meet market demands and user expectations, even as their operating costs increase. Moving to a virtual RAN platform can change all of that. Red Hat's platform for virtual Open RAN can help you transform in 3 key areas: infrastructure, operations, and economics. With a secure, horizontal open cloud solution, the same platform can extend consistently across the network to support multiple functions and multiple vendors with small footprint and bare metal deployment options. Red Hat's solution is built on the open source foundation of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform, Red Hat OpenStack Platform, and Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform. Red Hat offers choice. You can deploy network functions using containers, virtual machines, or both. Participating with our growing ecosystem partners as part of industry alliances means service providers can choose the best partner solutions to meet their needs with no lock-in. Partner container images are certified to run reliably and securely on Red Hat platforms. Red Hat Enterprise Linux provides key features that support RAN demands, including real-time kernel and support for precision time protocol and hardware acceleration. When you virtualize RAN infrastructure, you more readily get the benefits of automation and orchestration to simplify operations by streamlining end-to-end process flows, decrease risk through consistent and compliant configuration management, and achieve faster time to market for new services. Virtualizing RAN functions allows operators to pool resources across multiple cell sites and scale capacity dynamically to meet changing traffic demands. Service providers can also reduce facilities rental costs, power and cooling, and investments in servers and switches. These add up to boost long-term economic advantages. With a rich history of helping customers adopt cloud-native architectures, Red Hat's open-source technologies provide an agile, cost-effective foundation for innovation. Get ready to meet the challenges and opportunities coming with mobile traffic growth and 5G innovation. Your future is open with Red Hat. Learn more, contact us today.